Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've been here in YouTube. I have my personal reasons. I took a long break from social media and YouTube and everything and life in general. But now I am back. In today's video, I'm just gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna transform myself into a basic bitch to a big ass baddie, Instagram baddie. Okay, the old ways. I'm gonna do it the old ways. Period. Okay. So yeah, basically, I'm just gonna transform myself. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna glam up here and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump in and start doing my makeup because I don't wanna make this video too long. You already know, the shorter the better. And yeah, let's just start. So I'm gonna start by doing my brows. I'm gonna use the Deep Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Dark Brown. Some of the products I'm gonna be using are from my Boxy Charm box of September. I didn't film any video related to that, so I'm just gonna be featuring those products here. So these are the brushes I got on my box. Really cute. And I'm just gonna take the angle brush from this set because I don't know where I put my eyebrow brush. Look at my brows! What the heck? I don't know what I just did, but I'm just gonna fix it with some concealer. So I'm done doing my brows. I had to do them really quick because I was talking too much, you know. But anyways, I used the Black Radiance True Complexion HD corrector to clean up my brows in the shade. I use the shade I think this is the shade Medium if I'm not wrong. Now I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade Profito Concealer in the shade 400. I'm so sad that Rihanna hasn't come with anything because honestly, for me, she's one of my favorite artists and it really breaks my heart, but I'm really happy that she's getting she's being successful in other things such as the beauty industry and fashion and all this stuff, and she's doing amazing. I haven't watched her fashion week whatever she has on the Amazon Prime. I have to watch it, but yeah. So I'm gonna use this Violet Voss palette. So I'm gonna start with that color. Honestly, I don't know what type of look I'm going for, so I always start with transition colors when I don't know what to do. I don't want to do anything super pinkish because that's what I always do. I always go for pinks, this soft looks. So I haven't done my makeup in so long. I haven't done anything dramatic. During my break, the most makeup I worn, it was concealer. Honestly. This palette, it's bomb. This is actually like the first time. I love BoxyCharm because like honestly they make me try so many like brands and products that I haven't tried. Okay, so now that I have the eyeliner, I think I'm gonna add some black to the corner. So I'm gonna take the black from the palette and I'm just gonna like blend it out here. And I'm gonna like drag it to the, see, like I'm gonna drag it to the I'm gonna put my lashes. The lashes I'm gonna be using are from Embe lashes. So basically it's a company that does subscription for like lashes. So basically if you subscribe and you pay around like $15, you get a box with lashes, and I think they have like different type of packagings. The packages, you know, there's like package for 3 lashes like this one. And then I also got the lash glue. They sent this to me. It was really kind from them. So they have 3 packages for 3 lashes, 4 lashes, and I think 6 lashes if I'm not wrong. So if you want to check them out, I will put a link. They give me like a personalized link, and I'm gonna put it in the description box. So you should go ahead and check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to my face, and I'm gonna be using this No Pore Blem Prime Essence. It's a primer. I got it also from one of my BoxyCharms. Okay, my foundation is fully blended, but let me make sure I get my neck also, because you don't want to have harsh lines, honey. You are a baddie, big girl. I'm gonna get, you see, I'm talking too much and now I can't even say anything. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 330. For baking, I'm gonna use my Pro Filtr powder in the color honey, the color miel. And yeah, I'm just gonna make sure my, actually, yeah, I'm gonna set it first. I'm gonna use this black radiance foundation stick. When you want to be a baddie, you gotta be a baddie, and a baddie does cream contour. So baby girl, boy, I look so ugly when I'm trying to, ooh honey. Gonna get some mascara and apply it to my bottom lashes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my face. I don't have much to do anymore. I'm almost done. I'm just gonna go over with my I can say anything. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go with my Black Radiance Beauty Contour Palette. Period. Best contour palette ever, honestly. Like, even before they got me in their PR list, honey, I was rocking this palette day after day because like this is like one of the best contour powders I've ever seen for people of my complexions. And now they have like one for lighter people, like lighter skin people, and they have one for darker skin people, which is like amazing. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Sangria Sunset as a blush. This one, the pink one. I love it. It's so vivid. That's how I love my blush. And one thing I also do is I put a little bit of blush on my nose, on the tip of my nose like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some highlight. I have this one, is the Laura Geller highlighter. I got it on my and actually this is like this powder. I've been trying to get this powder for the longest time, but because it used to be so popular on YouTube, but then for some reason I kind of forgot about it, and now I got it on my box and I was like, oh wow, this powder still exists. I was like, great. We're almost done with the video. I'm just gonna spray my face with some all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. To finish up with my makeup, I'm gonna line my lips with this NYX lip liner in the color Cocoa. And for my lips, I'm gonna first go on with this M.a.c lip color. And I'm gonna top it with my Gloss Bomb, of course. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is the end of the video. I love it. I love how it came out, and I hope you guys love it too. Don't forget to check out the link on my description box for the Embe lashes that I am wearing. Don't forget to check them out, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comment section. Like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I don't know what you're waiting for, honestly. I don't know. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Un millón de besitos. Nos vemos en el siguiente video. Bye.